Alright, since my last video I've replaced the seals on the hydraulic ram and cylinder. I've also got this PTO extension that bolts on, and I've managed to fit it on the sheared part of my original PTO because it was snapped off. A lot cheaper than trying to replace an actual PTO shaft. Strong, stable. I haven't tried to lift the arms yet, so it's a long time coming to here. We'll test it out. So we've got PTO spline fixed, hydraulics, seals fixed. Also had to replace the seal in here, so a lot of work to this point. Hopefully when I raise the arms they hold up. Bear with me. Alright, we should see shaft spinning. Excellent. Now I hope this works. Arms up, and they're staying up. Ignore that one. Got the original still sitting in some diesel. Now the big test, I weigh 130 kilos. Let's see if it'll take my weight. Oh, excellent. No movement at all. So, short of wheels and a new head gasket, this tractor is just about ready to pull a slasher and do some hard work again. Very happy. Very happy indeed.